Most people who try projector flipping fail before they even buy their first projector. They focus on finding the cheapest projector they can get instead of understanding which projectors actually have resale value and which ones are likely to become expensive headaches. The reality is that successful projector refurbishment starts with research, not repairs. If you buy the wrong projector, no amount of cleaning or troubleshooting will turn it into a profitable flip. That means the first thing you need to learn is how to identify projector categories. Understanding the differences between business projectors, home theater projectors, and smart projectors will save you from making costly mistakes. Business projectors are often the easiest to find because companies, schools, and organizations replace them regularly. While they can sometimes provide decent profits, they are usually less attractive to home cinema buyers because they prioritize brightness over cinematic image quality. Because of that, most beginners are better off focusing on home theater and smart projectors. These are the models people actively search for when building movie rooms, gaming setups, and streaming-focused entertainment systems. Smart projectors are especially attractive because they already include many features modern buyers expect. Built-in streaming apps, Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth support, and integrated operating systems make them easier to sell than older projector models. Once you know which category to target, the next step is identifying which brands consistently have strong resale demand. Brand recognition matters because buyers are generally more comfortable purchasing a refurbished projector from a manufacturer they already trust. Knowing which brands to target naturally leads to the next question: how much money do you actually need to start? Fortunately, projector refurbishment is far less expensive than many other electronics flipping businesses. A realistic beginner budget ranges from $300 to $800. This amount allows you to purchase a few projectors, acquire essential tools, buy cleaning supplies, and cover unexpected replacement parts.
The good news is that you also do not need a professional repair shop. A clean workspace, a sturdy table, and a basic set of tools are usually enough to begin refurbishing projectors successfully. Before we discuss the tools, however, we need to talk about sourcing inventory because where you buy projectors often determines whether a flip becomes profitable or not. Experienced refurbishers understand that most of the money is made during the purchase rather than during the sale. One of the best places to start is Facebook Marketplace. Many sellers simply want unwanted electronics removed from their homes and often have little understanding of current projector values. Local classified websites can produce similar opportunities. Since many buyers focus exclusively on televisions, projectors are frequently overlooked and can remain listed for surprisingly low prices. Schools and universities are also worth monitoring because educational institutions regularly retire equipment that still has significant useful life remaining. Some of these projectors require only basic maintenance before becoming fully functional again. Electronics recyclers represent another source that many beginners ignore. Building relationships with local recycling centers can eventually provide a consistent stream of inventory at favorable prices. Regardless of where you source your projectors, every potential purchase should be evaluated carefully before money changes hands. Asking the right questions can prevent many costly mistakes. Start by finding out whether the projector powers on and displays an image. A projector that cannot produce an image at all may require extensive repairs that quickly destroy potential profits. As you evaluate listings, you'll quickly discover that not all defects are equally serious. Some problems look frightening, but are actually among the easiest issues to repair. For example, overheating is one of the most common complaints sellers mention. Many projectors shut down unexpectedly because years of accumulated dust have restricted airflow and reduced cooling efficiency. This is good news because dust-related overheating is often solved through thorough cleaning. A projector that appears broken may only require basic maintenance to function normally again. Another common issue involves dim images. While some buyers assume a dim projector is permanently damaged, the problem is frequently caused by an aging lamp nearing the end of its service life. Similarly, software problems often sound worse than they really are. Smart projectors can experience crashes, freezes, and application errors that are sometimes resolved through factory resets or firmware updates. While some problems are worth pursuing, others should usually be avoided, especially when you're just getting started. Learning what not to buy is every bit as important as learning what to buy. Projectors with severe liquid damage often present unpredictable failures. Even if one problem is fixed, additional issues may emerge later and consume both time and money. Burned imaging chips are another warning sign. Replacement parts can be difficult to source, and repair costs often exceed the final resale value of the projector. Optical engine failures can create similar challenges. Unless the projector is particularly valuable, these repairs are usually best left to experienced technicians. Once you've acquired a projector that appears promising, the refurbishment process can begin. Before opening the unit, however, you'll need the proper tools. The most important tool is a quality precision screwdriver kit. Many projectors use small screws that standard household screwdrivers cannot handle effectively. Next, you'll need compressed air for dust removal. Since dust is responsible for many projector problems, compressed air quickly becomes one of the most frequently used items in your workspace. Microfiber cloths and optical lens cleaning solution are equally important. These allow you to clean lenses safely without damaging sensitive coatings. A soft anti-static brush helps remove dust from delicate internal components. Combined with cotton swabs, it allows you to clean areas that compressed air alone cannot reach. A flashlight becomes useful during inspections because it helps reveal dust buildup, damaged components, and blocked cooling channels. Small details are often easier to spot under strong illumination. A digital multimeter is not mandatory for beginners, but it becomes valuable as your skills improve. It can help diagnose certain power-related issues that might otherwise be difficult to identify. With your tools assembled and your projector ready for inspection, the first stage of refurbishment is external evaluation. This initial assessment often reveals valuable information before any disassembly takes place. Begin by examining the housing carefully. Look for cracks, broken ports, missing screws, damaged feet, and signs of physical abuse that could affect resale value. After documenting the exterior condition, power the projector on and observe its startup sequence. Pay close attention to anything that appears unusual during this process. Listen carefully to the cooling fans as the projector starts. Grinding, rattling, or excessive noise may indicate worn bearings or airflow problems. Once the projector reaches its operating system, test all smart features. Since many buyers specifically seek smart projectors, verifying these functions is essential. Connect the projector to Wi-Fi and confirm that it can access online services. A projector that cannot maintain a stable connection will be much harder to sell. After verifying wireless functionality, test Bluetooth performance as well. Pairing a speaker or audio device helps confirm that wireless audio features are operating correctly. Now that you've confirmed the software is functioning properly, it's time to focus on image quality. This is ultimately what buyers care about most. Project a bright image onto a clean surface and evaluate overall clarity. Look for discoloration, unusual shadows, bright spots, or visible defects that may affect viewing performance. To make problems easier to identify, display solid white, red, green, and blue images. Different defects become visible under different color conditions. While testing these images, examine focus across the entire screen. Uniform sharpness generally indicates healthy optics and proper alignment. Brightness should also be evaluated in a dark room whenever possible. Comparing actual performance to manufacturer specifications can help determine whether maintenance or lamp replacement is needed. If image quality appears acceptable, the next step is cleaning. This is where many projectors undergo their most dramatic transformation. Start with the exterior housing by removing dirt, fingerprints, and accumulated grime. A clean exterior immediately improves perceived value. After cleaning external surfaces, focus on the ventilation openings. These areas frequently contain years of dust buildup that restricts airflow and contributes to overheating. If you're comfortable opening the projector, remove the outer housing carefully. Taking photos during disassembly helps ensure everything returns to its proper location later. With the housing removed, use compressed air to eliminate loose dust. Work methodically and avoid directing excessive force towards sensitive components. With the housing removed, use compressed air to eliminate loose dust. Work methodically and avoid directing excessive force towards sensitive components. Next, clean the cooling fans thoroughly. Restoring proper airflow often solves overheating problems that sellers mistakenly believed were major hardware failures. Once the cooling system has been cleaned, inspect the heat sinks. Dust accumulation here can significantly reduce cooling efficiency and increase operating temperatures. After addressing airflow-related issues, turn your attention to the optical system. This stage requires patience because scratches can permanently reduce image quality. Clean lenses only with optical-grade materials. Taking shortcuts here can easily damage coatings and reduce the value of the projector. If the projector uses a replaceable lamp, check its usage hours. Understanding lamp condition is important because it directly affects brightness and resale value. Many projector lamps are rated for several thousand hours of operation. A projector with substantial lamp life remaining will generally command a higher selling price. After evaluating the hardware, return your attention to the software side of the device. Smart projectors are computers as much as they are projection systems. Perform a complete factory reset to remove previous user accounts and settings. Buyers expect a fresh, ready-to-use experience. Once the reset is complete, install the latest firmware available from the manufacturer. Software updates frequently improve stability, compatibility, and overall performance. With the operating system refreshed, test all major applications and streaming services. Ensuring everything works correctly before listing the projector helps prevent future customer complaints. Next, verify every physical connection on the device. Connectivity issues are among the most common reasons buyers return electronics purchases. Test HDMI ports with multiple devices to ensure stable audio and video transmission. Intermittent problems should be addressed before resale. Continue by checking USB ports, audio outputs, and any additional connections the projector provides. Every advertised feature should function exactly as expected. After all functions have been verified, move on to one of the most important stages of refurbishment, burn-in testing. This step separates professional refurbishers from casual sellers. Monitor temperatures throughout the testing period and watch for shutdowns, flickering, crashes, or image instability. Any issue discovered now is easier to solve than after a customer receives the projector. If the projector completes burn-in testing successfully, you can finally begin preparing it for sale. At this stage, presentation becomes just as important as functionality. Give the exterior a final cleaning and ensure every visible surface looks professional. Buyers often judge quality within seconds of viewing a listing. Organize all included accessories neatly and replace any inexpensive missing items if possible. Small improvements frequently increase perceived value. Next, photograph the projector from multiple angles. High-quality photos build confidence and attract significantly more buyer interest. Include images showing the projector actively displaying content. Buyers want proof that the projector performs well in real-world conditions. Photograph menus, settings screens, and connectivity options whenever possible. Detailed listings reduce uncertainty and improve conversion rates. When writing the listing, emphasize the complete home cinema experience rather than simply listing technical specifications. Most buyers are purchasing entertainment, not hardware. Explain what was cleaned, repaired, tested, and verified during refurbishment. This helps justify your asking price and differentiates your listing from untested used projectors. At this point, the financial side becomes much easier to understand. If you purchased a projector for $150, spent $20 on supplies, and sold it for $350, the numbers speak for themselves. The real key is repeating the process consistently. Every successful refurbishment teaches you something that makes the next project easier and more profitable. Over time, you'll identify which brands sell fastest, which defects are easiest to fix, and which inventory sources provide the highest returns. Your decisions become less dependent on luck and more dependent on experience. Eventually, projector refurbishment stops feeling like electronics repair and starts feeling like a system. You source intelligently, inspect carefully, clean thoroughly, test rigorously, present professionally, and sell confidently. And that is the complete process of refurbishing modern smart projectors for professional home cinema flips on a budget, from selecting the right models and sourcing profitable inventory to diagnosing common issues, performing maintenance, testing reliability, and ultimately creating a product that delivers a premium home theater experience while generating consistent profit.